If you want to open a checking account with Wealthsimple, the whole process only takes a few minutes. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step. First, open the Wealthsimple app. Once you're on the home screen, you'll see all of your existing accounts. Scroll down until you find the button that says Open or Move Account. Then tap on it. A menu will appear with two choices. Since we're creating a new account, select Open a New Account. On the next screen, you'll see different account options. Under the Popular Accounts section, you'll notice Checking. You can simply tap it there. If you don't see it, you can also press the Spend tab at the top and then select Checking Account from the list. Next, Wealthsimple will show you some information about the account. You'll see features like no monthly fees, no minimum balance requirements, reimbursed ATM withdrawal fees, and the interest rate currently offered. Once you've reviewed the information, tap Get Started. After that, Wealthsimple will ask who will be using the account. If you're opening the account just for yourself, select You for an individual account. If you want to share the account with another person, choose You and someone else to create a joint account. For most people, selecting You will be the right option. The next screen contains the account agreements and disclosures. Take a moment to review them, then check the required boxes and tap Confirm at the bottom. Now you'll have the option to give your checking account a name. This step is optional, but naming your account can help you stay organized, especially if you plan on opening multiple accounts in the future. Once you've entered a name, tap Next. That's it. Your Wealthsimple checking account will now be created and ready to use. From here, you can start adding money, setting up direct deposits, or using the account for everyday spending. One quick tip before you go: make sure you're selecting the checking account and not one of the investing accounts, since Wealthsimple offers several account types, and it's easy for beginners to accidentally choose the wrong one. And that's all there is to it. If this video helped you out, be sure to subscribe to Guides and Beyond for more simple step-by-step tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.